Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about a new release, and that's Bond number 9 Greenpoint. So this fragrance came out this year, a few months ago. I recently got my nose on it. I tried it at Neiman Marcus here in South Florida, and I picked up a bottle. So let's quickly take a look at the bottle. It has a really nice green type of color, and I would have to say this is what it smells like. It smells green. It has the typical Bond number 9 top, and it has a really good sprayer on it. So let's quickly talk about the smell. So this is a green, soapy smell. This is what it smells like. It smells just like what it looks like. So when you spray this initially, you're going to get pear, and this pear reminds me of Ex Nihilo Blue Talisman. It's like they extracted that pear and they put it here. So after you get that pear note, it provides a sweet fruitiness that is accompanied by green. You're going to get green, soapy type of a smell. So the greenness, I attribute that to the cardamom, and there's pimento leaf as well in here. So I think it's coming from that provides that greenness. Then you're going to get a soapiness that comes in. So there's a lot of florals in the mid. There's star, jasmine, magnolia, rose. I think all of that comes together to give this a soapy type of smell. And then in the base, in the dry down, after around 30 minutes to an hour, you're going to get a little bit of musk and amber, and that's also in the base. There's also moss and vetiver. So all together, this is going to smell like you took 60% of that pear note from Blue Talisman. Check out my review on that. I'll leave the review up here or here. But you're going to get 60% that pear note from Blue Talisman. Then you're going to get 20% of Dove soap. Think of that creaminess, that soapiness, and then 20% from Irish Spring soap, but that greenness and cleanliness as well. So together it's just a green, soapy scent. So let's talk about the performance. This is really disappointing. I'm only getting around 2 to 3 hours of performance. So longevity wise, this does last 7 to 8 hours. If you spray on clothes, it will last longer, but projection on this is abysmal. So after 30 minutes, it's close to a skin scent. At $475, this is just unacceptable. This is $475. Let's touch on the price since we're talking about it. It's super expensive, but the performance isn't that good. It's terrible for this type of scent. It smells great. It's a 10/10 in the scent category, but the price and the performance do not match. There are other fragrances out there, so I would say if you're looking for performance, skip right over this because it does lack a lot of performance. So who is this fragrance for? This fragrance is for someone that is comfortable, one, with the $475 price tag. Two, you have a bigger collection and maybe you just need a fragrance for a specific situation. This I could see at $400. I wouldn't say this is a gym scent or a beach scent or a specific everyday errand scent, but because of the lack of performance, this is what this is going to be relegated to for me. This would be a skin scent. After 30 minutes, it's automatically gym scent category for me. Let me know in the comments what you think of weak performing fragrances. If it doesn't last long, I can't tell you to buy it. And I can't tell you that it's going to be used in versatile situations. Like you can't use this for the office if it's gone in 3-4 hours. You can't use this on dates if it's gone in 3-4 hours, which you can for dates, but I wouldn't use this scent for dates because it's just that clean. But this is for someone that has a bigger collection. You can stomach the $500 price tag, and you just want a fragrance that's kind of like a throwaway scent, maybe something to go to the grocery store or errands. So compliments. Because of the lack of performance, this probably won't get you noticed. This is one of those close to skin scents. This would be good on dates because of the way it performs, but it wouldn't be good on dates because of the lack of performance. It's very close to skin, which makes it great for dates, but it's just a clean, fresh smell. So I wouldn't necessarily use this for dates, but this would be good for errands, gym, stuff like that, beach. So overall, what would I rate this? I have to give this a 6 out of 10. It's too expensive. Performance is too low. The DNA is a 10 out of 10. It's really good. It's comforting. I think it's clean, it's fresh, it's green, it's relatively unique. Nothing really smells like this outside of green hours. So like I said, that combination at the beginning, but this is a 6 out of 10 through and through. Let me know in the comments if you tried it. It's bond number 9, Greenpoint. I'm giving this a 6 out of 10. Let me know what you guys would rate it.